Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can switch templates on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, the best thing about the new Squarespace update, or that is Squarespace version 7.1, is that you do not have different templates. Before, or in version 7.0 and before that, you had different templates which had different styles which you can apply to make your site look different. Now, in 7.1, there is only one global template, I guess you could call it, which is used. The templates that you select at the beginning are basically just different styles. There are different layouts that people have already made. They're pretty much presets, which you can use and edit to your desire. And yeah, you don't really need to use a template. All you need to do is just go into styles, and here you can edit everything that you want about your template. Now, if you want to completely switch your template and start fresh, you should just go into your dashboard by clicking on your account icon, then clicking create a website and create a new website. You might be able to migrate some content from your original website to the new one. I won't be doing that, but that is pretty much the only way in which you can find a completely new template and start from scratch, start over, and maybe that might be the easier method for you. However, if you have any custom code which you might want to save, I would recommend exporting that or copying it and copying it over to the new one. But I'm pretty sure just changing up the styles, and the styles you can change are the themes, the fonts, colors, buttons, forms, and in miscellaneous you can also change the animations, spacing, image blocks, and the cookie banner, but that is completely up to you. But yeah, that's pretty much as simple as it gets. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.